Welcome to Bugis. Today is Saturday, very bustling. We have a little walk through. Sunday, 5, okay, 6 p.m. right now. Oh, nice jersey, World Cup, right? And there's a nice temple on the left side. Oh, they have changed the statue from the 财神爷 God of Fortune to somebody. Oh, 端午节的, that is the 屈原. There's a favorite spot, photo taking as well. And they're selling the licorice, which is unfortunately not the same. And then right here you can some kind of fortune telling. So many tourists come here. Oh, you can repair the shoes, right? I mean, yeah, lots of tourists come this area, lots of stuff here. Wulu Shop Complex, where you can find feng shui items, and Germany Albert Center, Hawker Center, over there. And after crossing the street, right, will be the Bugis Street, very famous shopping destination. And this is one of the birds in Singapore called sparrow. Wow, look at the signboard, very old. So apparently quite a number of interesting stuff here. Fortune Center, Sri Krishna Temple, Bencoolen, Albert Complex, and so much more. There's a nice McDonald's. Fellowship Complex, high clearance, 1.9 meter. I think not many YouTubers introduce about car park, right? But I think it's important because some of the viewers, they drive here. And Fellowship Complex is here. From here, you can go to like biggest electronic mall in Singapore called the Simeon Square and Sydney Tower from the left side. Lots of interesting shophouses concept here. Okay, in Singapore, there's an unspoken rule when you're lost, right? Just go back to the MRT, look at the street map, and look for the nearest exit. But I rely on my Google map most of the time. But for tourists, maybe it's better for them to look at the map. I mean, go back to the MRT, because there's stuff there, at the station control you can ask. Oh, on the right side, Bukit Junction Towers. I think it's some kind of office building. Very tall. And here there's a car park. Singaporeans, they actually drive more than they ride motorcycles. So 90% of the vehicles here are cars and some vans. Singapore is known for their urban concrete jungle. Means lots of urbanization and less of the natural landscape. Although they have some plants here. So recently there's a controversy about is Singapore one of the worst country to stay. Let's cross the road first. It's like people say this is Singapore boring, I think expensive, not enough place to go. Attraction, so they can cover Singapore in 2 to 3 days. They come to Singapore second time, they are bored and so on. But then it all depends. Because Singapore is safe, it's efficient, and lots of street food here, and man-made, even like man-made greenery. I mean, it's nice. It's a balance of both value, safety, and food. And shopping can come Singapore. But if you want like going to mountain hiking, then maybe Singapore not for you. We have our Bukit Timah Hill, but that's a very low height. And bungee jumping we have in Sentosa. But the height is also not very tall. So I think I'll explore this more. It's the first time I'm here. It's called Duo. DUO, I want to explore this place for a long time. It's just opposite the Bukit Junction. So yeah. So take care everyone. If you enjoyed the video, give a like, thumbs up, share, and subscribe so more important 5 videos. Thanks very much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.